So here's how to add embedded code to my system.io. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your system.io account. Once you are logged in, now click on the profile icon. After that, click on the settings option from this menu. Moving on to the next step, here you have to click on the sales funnel option from the left panel. After clicking onto this option, it will open this interface. If you want to embed and tracking code, you have to paste this code here and then click on the save option at the top right corner. After clicking onto this option, now you have successfully embedded code to your system.io. So that's how to add embedded codes to system.io.